Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to start word equation. Dear students, a equation in which reactants and products in form of word. These are separated by an arrow, means reactants are in the left hand side and products are in right hand side to the arrow with the plus sign. It means different reactants and products are separated with each other with the sign of plus. Such type of expression is called word equation. You can see example. When hydrogen and oxygen reacts with each other, they form water. Students, hydrogen and oxygen are present left side of the arrow. So, these two substances are called reactants, and the new substance that is formed after the reaction, which is present right side of the arrow, that is water, which is called product. Dear students, you can see these substances, reactants and products, are with a different property. Hydrogen is a gas which is highly combustible, and oxygen is also a gas which is non-combustible. It means oxygen is supporter of combustion. It helps in the combustion. Without oxygen, combustion cannot take place. Okay, and after the reaction, water is formed, which is liquid at normal temperature. It is neither highly combustible nor supporter of combustion. It prevent combustion, stop the combustion. So you can see hydrogen, oxygen and water are with a different property. Okay. Next example. Magnesium and oxygen reacts with each other and form magnesium oxide. You can say in the other way, when magnesium is burned, it forms white powder. This is the statement, and this statement is written in the form of word equation. Magnesium on combustion, and combustion takes place in the presence of oxygen. It means magnesium react with oxygen and form white powder, that is of magnesium oxide. Dear students, magnesium and oxygen are present left side of the arrow. So, magnesium and oxygen are reactants, and magnesium oxide that is formed after the reaction present at right side of the arrow. So, magnesium oxide is called a product. Okay, you can see magnesium is an element having shiny surface. Oxygen is a gas, and after the reaction, a white powder is formed that is called magnesium oxide, which is product. So, this is a chemical equation in the form of word. One question is arises, dear students, why magnesium ribbon is cleaned before combustion? Dear students, magnesium ribbon is cleaned before combustion because at the surface of magnesium ribbon, a layer of magnesium oxide is formed, which is passive layer. which prevent the reaction of oxygen with the magnesium. After cleaning the surface, removing the magnesium oxide layer from the magnesium ribbon, magnesium easily burn, means easily react with the oxygen. So we have to clean the surface of the magnesium ribbon before combustion. Next example, lead nitrate react with the potassium iodide and form lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Dear students, when lead nitrate solution, which is colorless, react with the potassium iodide, which is also colorless, during the reaction a new substance lead iodide, which is yellow solid, yellow color, and potassium nitrate, these two substances are formed. Dear students, when reaction takes place in between lead nitrate and potassium iodide, the lead iodide is formed, which is yellow color, yellow solid. The change of color of the solution of the reaction mixture indicate there a chemical reaction takes place. Okay, here in this reaction, lead nitrate and potassium iodide is represented in the form of word, which is present left side of the arrow, and lead iodide and potassium nitrate is also present in the form of word, which is present right side of the arrow. So this is chemical equation in the form of word. Here lead nitrate and potassium iodide are reactants and lead iodide and potassium nitrate are product. Okay, same way you can see zinc solid react with the sulfuric acid, which is liquid. During the reaction, zinc sulfate is formed and hydrogen gas release. So this is a chemical reaction. Here zinc and sulfuric acid are reactants because these reacts with each other, and after the reaction zinc sulfate and hydrogen is formed. So these are products. Okay, dear students, now we are going to discuss about the word equation in term of symbols and formula. Okay, we can express the equation in the form of symbols. The short way to represent the chemical equation in term of symbols and formula of the different reactants and products is called a chemical reaction. Dear students, here some example of the chemical equation. Zinc plus sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Okay, symbol of zinc is Zn and symbol of sulfuric acid is H2SO4, and from zinc sulfate ZnSO4 plus H2. Okay, dear students, here zinc and sulfuric acid H2SO4 are reactants and zinc sulfate and hydrogen are products. So these are chemical equation in the form of symbol. Okay, same way potassium chlorate KClO3, on heating it decomposes and gives potassium chloride KCl and oxygen. Okay, next example, hydrogen and oxygen reacts with each other, H2 plus O2 gives water H2O. Magnesium reacts with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide, it gives lead iodide and potassium nitrate. These are the chemical equations in the form of symbol. Okay, before the arrow reactants are present and after the arrow products are present. This is the chemical equation in the form of symbol. Okay, dear students, after this we will discuss about the balancing of the chemical equation. Thanks and have a nice day.